I'm going to show you around Microsoft's $100 million office in downtown Vancouver. It has a VR room, a garage, a music room, and beautiful views, and much more. So let's begin. So here we are in the front lobby. This right here is the main entrance. This is on the 7th floor of the 725 Granville building. So as you can see, the Microsoft front desk here. And this is the entrance to the building. You have some sitting area right over here for if you have any guests and stuff that are coming to the office. But let's go inside and I'll show you all the cool stuff. So in order to get inside, as usual, you need to tap in your Microsoft badge. And then once you tap that in, this goes green, you can open the door. And then as soon as you come in, there's 3 different places that you can go. You can go there, where all the workspaces and all the VR room is also located there. You have a main cafe here. Unfortunately, it's not free. You do have to pay. The prices are listed over there for coffee and stuff. And then this right here is the garage. Now this is one of the best spots in the office. This has 3D printers, heat transfers if you want to print something on a t-shirt, if you want to print something on a mug, or do any type of creative stuff. All the equipment is here. And then you can see right here some other cool stuff as well for wires if you want to play something around with like a Arduino board or like some other like those tiny computers that you can buy online. Raspberry Pi, that was the one that I forgot. Inside here, the door is currently closed. I think I can get in. I can't, but still inside there's some more equipment that you can use. But then coming here, you have the sitting area. And then this right here are the 3D printers of the garage. Do you want to show the garage logo? This is the garage. So this right here are all the 3D printers. Now this is all free to use for any Microsoft employees. What they can do is just create a 3D design, and then the garage manager here, you can just send them your design, and then you can have something created in 3D. So you can see like there's some designs that are ongoing right now. Some here as well. Yeah. And these are some of the stuff that people have already created with the 3D printers. And then follow me right here. This right here, you have like, some of the sewing stuff. If you want to do some type of sewing, you can find all the equipment here. This right here is the heat press. So this is what you use to create any type of t-shirts design that you want. And then follow me right here. This is where you'll find all of the printing material. You can see all the graphics here, right here, as well as look at that canvas there, that portrait, yeah, there. Now all of this was printed on these printers right here. So this right here is a Roland vinyl printer. You can print all sorts of different stuff, like canvases, heat transfers, like if you want to print something on a mug. So anything that you want to do on the creative side, you can find here in the garage. So now let's go to the main area. So now here we're in the main area. This here again is a cafe, so I'm still like in the main spot of the 7th floor. This right here are cool working spots if you want to have lunch and stuff. You can see a bit of a view outside, but you'll need to zoom in into the camera, like really go in. This right here you can see are all the meeting spaces here. Now in order to access all this, you tap in your badge. And then you can come in right here. So this is where all the workspaces begin. You'll see a lot of engineers working here at different products. All different teams across Microsoft have different areas allocated in the office. So anytime you have a conference, a meeting, you can just come to any of these rooms. For example, this one right here, a couple other ones. And this would be some of the more working spaces right here. You can see some people work at the far corner where it's a big part. So now most of the floor 7 is just like this. You have these corners. This is the center place of the building, like this center hollow spot. But then around this you have like similar workstations everywhere. But then the cool part that I want to show you guys is the VR room. So let's get to that. And this right here is the VR room. This is probably the main attraction of the office. So let's go in. So this right here is the VR room. You have all the space where you can play your VR game. You have all your VR headsets here, a computer that you can hook up any games that you want on Steam. So you just put your VR set on. You have sensors all across the room at the far corners, as well as a 360 speaker set. And then you also have this light control here that you can use to control the light. So you can change the colors here if you want green. So what you do, grab your VR set, hook up your game. You have sensors, cameras all over, so you get 360 coverage. And then this yellow line, you're supposed to stay inside this, and then any game you want to play, just put on your VR set, hold on to your controllers, and you can just play that game. So this is one of the more cooler spots of the office. The other area, which I want to show you guys, is the music room. So I'll catch you guys there. So this right here is the music room that I talked about on the 6th floor. This is also one of the best spots in the office that you can come in. So you can see right here, it's a bit messy right now, but you have drums, different types of guitars, pianos, professional mic as well if you want to record something. Some other drums. I have no idea how to operate like any one of these instruments. I don't play any instruments. But if you guys want, I can try some stuff out. Okay, never mind. This is, I think, the electronic. You have some guitars, TV, and Xbox here as well if you want to play some games. You got some of that action. I think they have Call of Duty lined up right now, Day 0 edition or something. I have no idea what Xbox that is. But yeah, so this is pretty much the music room. So coming up with the theme of the video, since I'm showing you guys the music room, I'm going to do a special piece for you guys. Now this is the second time that I've touched the piano, so here it goes. As you're walking through the floor, you'll notice like more workspaces everywhere. Another thing you'll notice is like a lot of these hidden meeting rooms. This one is particularly like one of my go-tos. You can just come here, it's right at the corner, and then you can just attend your meetings here. If you have work, all of these walls are whiteboard. So if you want to write something as you're jotting down, like brainstorming with your team, you can just write here whatever you want. And then just some more features that I want to show you guys of the 7th floor is that you'll notice like all these meeting rooms again, more workspaces. But then one thing that I think almost on every corner of the office is that they have these dedicated kitchens where you can get free drinks. People eat here, lunch and stuff. So you can come right here. So here's the kitchen right here. You can see you can get your free drinks and stuff here. Yeah. And moving on, one cool thing I want to show you guys is this one. We had this arcade machine for a hackathon that we had. Yeah, I'm not going to turn it on right now. I'm going to do something cool to show you. But another thing that we have on the 7th floor are these massive conference rooms. So whenever you have a really massive team event or like a really big conference seminar, you can do it here, right here. You have a really beautiful background. You can see like the buildings in downtown Vancouver, a really big projector screen, lots of seating area, lots of room to do events and talks. Now, one of the most beautiful spots in the office is the office balcony located on the 7th floor. At nighttime, this place goes off the charts because you can see the views of all the building when they light up, like all the building across Vancouver. So let me know in the comments down below. Check out my video that I did on the other Microsoft office that's in Gastown, the 1550 Street. Follow me here. Now that office has Canada View in place in North Vancouver, but I just wanted to show you guys this view. Let me know in the comments again, which one do you like this, or which office do you like? This one or the views of the previous office that I showed. So you can see right here some residential buildings. You have office spaces all across. Yeah. This is also okay. Now this right here is the 6th floor. This also has a really big kitchen spot. This is the main eating area that people have. You can see right here on the corners there's like eating spaces. People usually come here to eat lunch and stuff. But another cool spot that I want to show you guys. For one, just look at these guys. These are pretty cool to sit at when you're sitting. But the other cool spot that I want to show you guys is this game room right here. So let's have a look at it. So you have a couple of ping pong tables here. In the office, they also have some ping pong tournaments. So you can see like some of the past trophies there. A ping pong table, some foosball tables, and a really nice view. Right now they have the blinders on. Yeah, right there. So when you're playing games, especially at nighttime, it's really fun. The other area right beside the main kitchen is this, I don't know what you'd call this, cafeteria / shop. But one of the one of the things here is that all this stuff is not free. You do have to pay for it. So any item that you want to buy, you just take it and then scan it here on the machine. So they have like ice cream, some ice creams that I sometimes buy, some drinks and stuff, some Red Bulls, some protein bars and so on. So you can just take your item, scan it here and then just pay for it. Unfortunately, it's not free, but you just have to use what's available. The other area is this bit right here. This is called Tech Link. So if anyone has any type of problems with their computers, I mean, people are software engineers, but they're not IT specialists. So they come here for any type of help. Say your computer's not charging, any type of hardware issues, anything, you come right here. And then follow along, same theme as the 7th floor. Pretty much, you have meeting rooms all across. Yeah, same thing. As we go further, a lot of meeting rooms and conference spaces. As you come past the 7th floor, you can see a lot of eating spaces here. You have the stairs that go up to the 7th floor. And everywhere at every corner, you'll find these type of whiteboards. here you can like, if you have a thought, you can just quickly write it down, visualize it. Now this right here, you can see a lot of people have drew stuff. Now this is Microsoft's creativity board. So a lot of creative people have drawn a lot of creative stuff. You can see Powerpuff Girls and like all sorts of stuff. I forgot the name of this guy. This is like, I think one of Microsoft's. Now I'm gonna butcher this creativity. Let's do blue. I'll add my own here. So I'll do that, and then RS for Ariane's D. So that's my contribution to the creativity board.